Hyde Park is a clothing shop. Their shops are located all over the UK. They offer both men's clothes and women's clothing. They focus especially on leather clothing. For men they offer blazers, bomber jackets, short leather jackets, long leather jackets, zip jackets, button jackets, gilets, waistcoats, shooting vests, fishing vests, leather body warmers, suede leather blazers, blouson jackets and tweed jackets, but also sheepskin flying jackets. For women they offer button jackets, leather blazers, biker jackets, flying jackets, ladies tweed gilets, sheepskin coats, sheepskin flying jackets, sheepskin gilets, ladies shooting vests, collarless leather jackets, longer leather jackets and more. Their furnishing category offers one single product, which is leather cushions for your coach. Don't forget to take a look at the sales section to save yourself some money on your new purchase. Don't mistake the clothing brand for Hyde Park. Services of Hyde Park. If you are interested in one of more of the products offered by Hyde Park, you can of course visit one of the physical shops. Use the shop finder to find the shops that are closest to your home. These shops still too far away for you. Hyde Park offers a delivery service that brings your purchase directly to your home. They offer standard delivery, but also Saturday delivery, European delivery and international delivery. Not satisfied? Don't worry, they offer a return service that allows you to send your purchase back within certain conditions. The customer service of Hyde Park can be reached via telephone. But you can also find them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and Google+. Complaints, compliments and tips for Hyde Park. Do you already own a leather vest, jacket, gilet or other item of clothing of Hyde Park? Then we want to know what your experience was like. How did the ordering process go? How long did you have to wait for your purchase to be delivered? Are you satisfied with the products themselves? How comfortable and durable do you find the vest or jacket? And what is your opinion on the customer service department? Please leave a review with your opinion and experience so other people can benefit from it and see what shopping at Hyde Park is like. Are the leather jackets and vests from Hyde Park comfortable? Read customer reviews about the jackets, gilets, sheepskin, flying jackets, bomber etc. Reviews Hyde Park. There is a huge range of all kinds of clothing shops, retailers and department stores that sell clothing and accessories. So we are not surprised if you have some problems finding out the right clothing shop for you. One of the shops that you might take a look at is Hyde Park. But what kind of clothing does this shop sell exactly? What kind of quality and durability can you expect from your purchases? And will they also be comfortable? Will their delivery service take long? Are they trustworthy? And what kind of customer service do they provide to the customers that want to buy at their shop? Don't just trust their website. Rather read reviews that are placed on BritainReviews by customers that have already visited Hyde Park. These unbiased opinions and experiences as well as their ratings can help you to find out what shopping at Hyde Park really entails. That way you can make your own informed decision. Visit BritainReviews.co.uk and leave your honest review about Hyde Park.